Hi Naina.
Hi Zubair,
How do you
doing?
feel?
I'm great, I'm great. Hi everyone, how are you?
So Naina, this is your first time that you ever come for an autocross event.
Yes,
What do you feel?
I'm super excited. So what went into designing this event, Zubair?
So about 2 years ago, we started the original Speedverse, which was done on a dirt track.
Yeah.
And thanks to Mr. Gautam Singhania, he gave me this opportunity of having a tarmac event. And yes, just took the Speedverse brand and we put it into version 2 and we came up with this. And the best part is to see the youngsters.
Yeah.
The amount of youngsters who have actually participated. I mean, I've done 5 events previously and this is my 6th event. I have more of youngsters who are actually.
Imagine, can you believe it? Like there are drivers, young drivers who've come all the way from Pune. They've been excited. They have been sending us bites to promote it.
So we are talking like thanks to again Mr. Gautam Singhania for this opportunity which Bombay deserves, and you know he's given a lot to Bombay as motorsports.
Yeah.
But yes, this was one gift that he gave, and hopefully we have his support in the future events also. Just a little hint, find out the word Gymkhana Racing. That's what's the next action in with Venomotorsportz and Rootanian.